whenever you give anything for hand embroidery, because it has to be given before and then it has to be stitched, so while stitching some of it will always come off. So see, this had come off so much, so now I am putting it back. So if it comes up, you have to do the you have to refinish it. So see, I have started the thread from here, from the right side itself, because it will get covered, and it has to be done in a way that the back side here, the back side remains clean, because there is lining. There shouldn't be any thread visible. See, here also there is some of it gone. So these things need to be finished properly. So that's what I am doing actually right now. I always ask my embroidery wala to give some extra loose beads and or the embellishments that have been used, so that in case of emergency we can only fix it. So here I am cutting off the some extra loose threads, so to give it a proper clean finish. It will happen in case of hand embroidery, machine embroidery, or even in the fabric there might be threads coming out, so you have to finish it nicely. So here, as you can see, I am trying to finish this entire line. Not only this, wherever there are issues, you'll need to fix it. I'll do this full length. So I had asked him to give me, the worker, to give me extra, so that I can fix it later on. He would have done it for me, but because we have less time, hence it's needs to be done by me, because the customer is coming in about half an hour's time, and he just gave it to me last night after the stitching. So there are two different workers involved here. Okay, one who has done the hand embroidery, that one had given it to me perfectly. After hand embroidery, when it is stitched, that's when these things come off. So there wasn't enough time to give it back to the person who had done the hand embroidery to do the finishing, hence our job. So I'm taking the entire length. Yeah, I'm taking it entire length. Okay, 2 beads are extra, so I'll remove it. And then I will start going backwards, fixing each of these. I would also like to tell that I have a 5-day course on fashion design in case you are interested. I'll leave the link below. It is at a very lucrative price right now, and you can sign up for that to get the basics of fashion designing. You can even fix 2 at a time. So I have kept my hand down so that the thread doesn't go till to the other end. This was the original thread, so I'm just locking that also. Once the beads are fixed properly, make sure you cut off all the extra threads so that it is neat and clean. If you did like this video, do give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends who are interested in learning fashion designing and the fundamentals of it. See you.